Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another pickaxe in Fortnite, and this time it's going to be the smash up. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the big circle first in the middle. So we're just going to draw a circle as best as you can. It's always kind of hard to draw this circular shapes like this, so you can sketch it out first or whatever drawing aids you want to use. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to draw in another one, so it's kind of like somewhere in the middle. Let's draw another circle, so there's going to be a bunch of these. Oh, mine's is all wobbly. Okay, and then once you have this circle in here, just come out slightly and we're going to draw another one. And this is gonna be where the all those buttons are gonna be with the rainbow lighting. And then we can actually add in, well, let's draw in the two more. So there's a little bit of another band in there of color. So I'm just gonna draw another circle inside. And I'm gonna draw one more. So this is gonna be a smaller one. So this is gonna be a different color. Alright, so once you have all these circles, we're going to draw those little squares on the outside. So this is going to be the center, so all these lines are going to kind of come down to this middle here. So I know it's kind of tricky, but just have it radiate from the center there. So I'm just going around. I know mines are pretty off, but it's okay. Once we put in the color, it should be okay. Alright, so that's my nice and neat circles. So let's move on to the other part. So this part's a little bit easier. So we're gonna draw across, and from this point here, just kind of come all the way across, and then on the other side, draw it all the way across, almost the same length as this one. And then from there, this side is going to go down. It's going to go down past the circle here. And then on this side, we're going to curve it. We're going to extend it, just kind of curve it down. And then we're going to come down. Same thing, we're going to match it all the way up to here. Okay, so once you have that, we're just going to connect these. And again, it's going to be below the circle. Okay. And then let's draw a little bit more down here first. So right on the edge of the circle, if you come down, you can make a little mark. I'm gonna draw a little slant like this. And then on this side, maybe somewhere right in the middle of this, come down, draw a little line like that. And then this is kind of slant up slightly. We'll just connect it and close it off. And then before we draw in all those little details inside, let's just finish up the edge of the axe first. So right here, now flare out. Okay, so that's one. And then this side we're gonna flare down. Two. And then in the middle here, there's gonna be two more. So we're gonna draw one. This one's slightly shorter. And I'm gonna draw another one here. Okay, so once you have those four, we just kind of draw a line in the middle here. Just kind of connects everything. Alright, so now we can draw in the stuff inside. So let's go ahead and start on this side. It's going to be 3 dials. So again, we can start out in the middle first. We can draw a circle in the middle. And then top and bottom, we'll just draw another one. And then for the dials, I'm just going to have them point this way. Okay, and then if you want to add in a little bit more detail, we can actually draw another circle inside here. Makes it a little bit more complicated. Alright, and then there's going to be 3 bars on the side here. And again, we can draw in, well, let's draw in the, just draw like a little curve like this first. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. So now we just kind of go down. And then close that off with this opposite curve. So go down. So these are easy to draw once you have the correct spacing. Okay, and then for the knobs, you can draw in one here. Add a little line there. 1, 2, and then let's draw one up here. Okay, you can put it elsewhere if you want, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so that's one side, and the other side, let's see. Come up right around here and just draw in one big square. Okay, and then we're just gonna divide this up, kind of like a tic-tac-toe. So 2 lines. So now we have 9 squares. And then on the corner here, there's gonna be 4 circles. So we're gonna draw 1 and 2. And then the bottom, same thing. And again, let's add in. I'm not sure what that is, but some more detail. Just draw another circle inside. Okay, and then on the bottom here, we just gonna draw one line across. This is just gonna be a rectangle. And then we'll divide up right in the middle. And then on this side, we're just gonna divide it up again. So it's gonna be 4. And on this side, there's gonna be a lot of little bars going this way. I'm not sure what this is. So I'm just gonna draw like a bunch of little rectangles across. Okay, and then let's see, lastly, just add in 2 little circles in here, just for some extra detail. Alright, so let's draw in the handle. So for the handle, we're gonna come out to right around here. You can make a little mark. And then let's just come down a little bit first. Okay, because there's gonna be a lot of little tubing. So let's draw in all these little tubings first. So I'm just gonna go right over a line. So what you're gonna do is just kind of erase out some of the lines. So I'm gonna start right here. Just curve it down into the handle. So once you have one line, we're just gonna give it a little bit of thickness here. So you just have to erase out those lines. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in, let's see, there's gonna be one going from here to here. So this one's a little bit weird. So start here. And then curve down. And then this is actually gonna curve. This is gonna go into the handle. It's a little bit strange, I know. And just close that off. So it doesn't have to be exact, as long as you have some kind of tubing here. So this one's gonna go up. And then we're gonna start here, just kind of continue it all the way up. So you just have to erase a bunch of little lines there. Okay, so let's continue on with the handle. So I'm just gonna continue these 2 lines. And I probably won't make it as long as it is because I'm gonna run out of paper space. So once I'm down here, I'm just gonna close it off with a slight curve. Okay, and then now I'm gonna draw in some of the tubings here. So on this curve here, we're gonna continue this curve. Just kind of continue up. Okay, and then we're gonna come back here. Come around. Just follow the same curve. So it's gonna be one tubing. So we're gonna continue this one. Come over here this way. And then this one's gonna be here. So we're gonna come out. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then on the bottom here, you can draw in, well, you can just go ahead and go all the way down first. And then now we can draw in, there's gonna be a circle in here. And then one more circle on the outside. And again, you just have to erase out those lines. Alright, so finally it's finishing off the handle. So with some details, I'm just gonna draw right in the middle of the handle. I'm just gonna draw in about 4 lines. And then in here, I'm just gonna draw four lines going this way, going down. And then from those lines on the corner, just go out. Let's go out to the side. And that is it for this smash up pickaxe in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and so hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.